In today's video, how to use the Canva Desktop app for both Mac and Windows. Begin by opening a design in the Canva browser version. It doesn't matter whether it's a blank design or an existing one. Go to the File dropdown in the top left of the Canva browser interface. Scroll down and click Open in Desktop app. If you don't have the app installed, it will take you to the download page. Canva will automatically detect your operating system, Mac or Windows, and offer the correct download link. Click Download and follow the instructions for your operating system. For Windows, run the downloaded file and follow the installation prompts. For Mac, once the file is downloaded, drag it to your Applications folder. Find the app in Finder, in the Applications section, and double-click to open. If prompted, confirm that you want to open the downloaded app. Once installed, open the app, and log into your Canva account using your credentials. You'll now see your home dashboard similar to the browser version with recent designs, templates, and the option to create new designs. The app gives you more working space by removing the browser's URL bar. You can open and switch between multiple designs using the tabs at the top, just like in a web browser. Click Create a Design in the top right to start a new project from templates or custom sizes. The app syncs seamlessly with your browser. If you were working on a design in your browser, you can continue right where you left off by opening it from the app.